Hello, I'm Dr. Jimmy Douglas, and today we'll see how pulse oximeter works. So our aim is to measure oxygen saturation, that is SpO2. So the pulse oximeter measures how much hemoglobin in the red blood cells is carrying oxygen. Hemoglobin with oxygen, we call it Oxyhemoglobin. Hemoglobin without oxygen, we call it as Deoxy Hemoglobin. The pulse oximeter, it emits pulses of red light and infrared light from one end, and there is a light detector on the other end. So if you switch on, you can see the pulse of red light, and you can't see the infrared light because it's in the invisible spectrum. The other end has a light detector which detects the light reaching it after passing through the finger. The finger has both the arterial blood as well as the venous blood, and the pulse oximeter analyzes only the arterial blood, and the only pulsating thing in the finger is the arterial blood, and it calculates that oxyhemoglobin, it absorbs more infrared light than red light, and deoxyhemoglobin, it absorbs more red light than infrared light. All this information is fed into an algorithm in a microprocessor, and it calculates the oxyhemoglobin saturation, and the readings are displayed. Now that we know how this works, we can now relate how nail polish, excessive ambient light can interfere with the readings. Other factors which reduce the accuracies are displayed. Hope this gives you a little insight on how this device works. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.